Hello guys, welcome to Selenium for Beginners tutorial. In this lecture we will learn what is Selenium, why Selenium, and the most popular interview questions. You heard it right, we will be also covering interview questions. It can build your foundation and you will be able to crack the interview hassle-free, while others will be preparing even during the interview process. Subscribe and hit the bell notification button to stay connected with us, and yes, don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. It helps us to create premium contents for you, free of cost. So let's get started without any further ado. Selenium is an open-source web browser automation testing suite. Open source is source code that is made freely available for possible modification and redistribution. This makes Selenium powerful as everyone can contribute to the project freely. Selenium can interact with any web user interface without any manual intervention. It supports all well-known web browsers. Selenium is also called Selenium Suite because it's a collection of tools that work together to provide a comprehensive solution for automating web browsers. We will cover each of them in detail during interview question section. For now, I suggest you to pause the video and make notes. It's a good practice to make notes, it helps the brain to understand the concepts. In later videos, we will also make some testing projects. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.